The latest generation of Toyota Multimedia includes a voice assistant, which gives you the ability to use voice commands to assist with various vehicle functions. To activate the voice assistant, you can press the push to talk button on the steering wheel or the microphone icon on the main display. Go to the MCG. Number 1. You can also activate the voice assistant by simply saying the wake word, such as, "Hey Toyota,
how can I help you?
Turn the AC on." You also have the option to customize this wake word by setting something more unique. In the settings menu, just tap Voice and Search, then Set Custom Wake Word. Just follow the instructions and pick a unique phrase that is easy to pronounce and has more than 3 syllables. "Please, Toyota,
what can I do for you?
Find me a petrol station in Albert Park."
I found just what you're looking for.
For more information, visit toyota.com.au/connected or visit your local Toyota dealership. Oh, what a feeling! Toyota.